Hey guys, I'm Henry.
I'm Ian.
And we are BOSH. We're back. This time we've got our BOSH bars.
They're fruity, they're nutty, and they will keep you satisfied until dinner as a snack.
This super healthy snack is part of our Veganuary meal plan, where we're giving 4 weeks of recipes away free so that you can eat the rainbow and feel fantastic.
The recipes are all in the PDF, which is available to download in the description below.
Subscribe to our channel so you get all of our videos when they come out, and let us know what you think in the comments. We're using oats because they're high in fibre and they're going to give you energy throughout the whole day. We've got dried fruit for sweetness, we've got nuts for healthy fats and protein, and a good helping of flax seeds, which are going to give you all of the omega-3 and 6 that you need.
The binder for this bar is banana, which is a nice alliteration.
The binder is banana, so we're going to get the banana and all of our wet ingredients and mix them all up together to form a paste. This is the perfect snack for if you're at work feeling a little bit hungry and you don't want to be naughty. Of course, you could make it more naughty with a little bit of maple syrup or dark chocolate if you wish, but these are naturally sugar-free.
Once you've got your wonderful nutty mixture, push it into the base of a baking tray, pop it in the oven for 30 minutes.
Really quick and easy. You want to take them out when they're golden brown, and look how incredible the finished result is.
They are really, really nice. Should we give one a whirl?
Let's try it. Good. Incredible.
Yeah, very good indeed.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You can really taste the citrus.
And the chewiness of all that dried fruit is so necessary. I love it.
I mean, look at that crumb.
Vibes.
That is a gorgeous recipe. This is part of our Veganuary meal plan.
Download the PDF, subscribe to the channel, enjoy it, Team BOSH.
And of course, hit like. It helps more people find our videos. We would be eternally grateful.
One more thing to do.
Bish.
Bash.
BOSH.